Hello everyone, and welcome to the Bosa Foods Test Kitchen. My name is Chef Giulia Lombardo, and today we're making a really fun and healthy recipe using farro. Farro is an ancient grain, it's super nutritious, and today we're using it in a risotto with a liter of heavy cream, some fresh mint, 1 cup of peas, and we're going to use a 1/4 cup of grated Parmigiano Reggiano, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and salt and pepper. Let's get started on the sauce. I have a large saucepan here. I'm just going to put it on medium-high heat. I'm going to add the 1 liter of cream. To season our sauce, we're going to be using nutmeg, about a 1/4 teaspoon. And then we have some nice coarse salt, about a tablespoon. And then we're going to use a 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper. That's pretty much going to be the base of our flavor profile. We're going to add some brightness and some freshness with the peas and the mint, but you want to make sure this reduces until it can coat the back of a spoon. It should take about 15 to 20 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, let's talk about farro. There are lots of different types of farro that you can get. Today we're using a whole grain of farro. That means it's the whole grain of the wheat, so it has the bran and it's super healthy. You can also get pearled or semi-pearled farro. That means the bran's taken off, easier to cook but less nutritious. One thing to note when you're using whole farro is you need to let it soak in cold water for at least an hour before you boil it. You want to do that so that you can really break down that outer bran so that when you cook it, you're left with a really creamy arborio rice type texture. This looks about done. I'm going to add 3 cups of already cooked farro. And now I'm going to add the peas. Give that a stir, and this should be about 10 more minutes. The sauce is nice and reduced, and this is all ready to go. I'm going to turn off the heat and add in a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan. This is going to add a really nice little hint of salt to the dish. Now, this isn't a true risotto because we cheated a little bit and added cream. But you could use the farro rice as a substitute for the actual risotto that you make with stock. But this one's gonna taste really good. Okay, now we're ready to plate. We're going to top this with some fresh mint. And there you have it, a twist on a traditional risotto using farro. Thank you for joining me in the Bosa Foods Test Kitchen. We'll see you next time. Ooh, this looks good.